Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to retrieve deleted emails from AOL. If you've accidentally deleted important emails from your AOL account, then here are several ways you can retrieve deleted AOL emails. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your AOL mail account. Go ahead and open up a web browser and type in mail.aol.com and make sure to log into your account as well. Once you're inside this page from AOL Mail, if you've deleted an important email within 7 days, you can easily retrieve it from your AOL Mail account. When you delete an email, it is moved to the trash folder. Your trash folder is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Simply click on it to open up the trash. Once you go ahead and open up the trash, locate the deleted email and click on it. Now, from the top of the screen, you will see a couple of options from where you can simply click on Move and then click on the folder you would like to send this particular email to. Simply click on the Inbox option to move it to your inbox, and you will then be able to retrieve your deleted emails from your trash. If an email has been deleted for more than 7 days or has reached the permanently deleted phase, in order to retrieve your email, you will need to contact the AOL server. Simply go to the top right corner of the screen and click on this question mark icon, which will then be able to provide help to you for AOL Mail. Click on Go to Help for AOL Mail and then click on the Contact Us button on the next page. You can go ahead and make a phone call for the account support team. You can go ahead and select the phone number associated with the problem that you are currently facing, and once you pick one of the phone numbers, make a phone call to them and then ask for them to retrieve permanently deleted emails. Remember that the service may be available only to paid membership. So those were some of the ways you can retrieve your deleted emails from AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.